Today you'll meet a gnome that works for Santa at the North Pole. So if you've been kind, plenty of presents under your tree you'll find. So of course you're going to need some socks to make your gnome. So I'm starting off with these. They are brand new, so let's just get rid of that. But this is a really good craft for using up some old socks. I know there's so many gnome tutorials out there now, so I'm just trying to come up with the easiest way to make one. So we're not going to be cutting this sock, you're going to leave it completely as it is. And you need to get yourself some kind of container, a cup or anything that you can pour your rice into, but you don't have to use rice if you don't want to. You can use a toy stuffing as well. It's just that this is going to make it more stable, so you know that it's not going to fall over or anything like that if you do use rice. So that's why I'm choosing to use that. Okay, let's just bring you guys up a little bit higher so you can see things a bit clearer. So all I'm going to do now is put my sock over the glass and just pour all of that rice in. So now all you're going to do is just shape that a little bit and then tie your sock like this. So all of that rice is safe in there. So now just kind of move your knot a little bit to the side because you're going to want the center here. And you're going to be taking a mop head. I know it seems crazy, but it's going to look amazing once you're done. So take some hot glue, kind of make a little bit of a hole in your sock and apply loads of hot glue. So you can see that's a generous amount in there. And then take your mop head and just press it inside. Hold that into place. So once your mop is all secure, take another sock. So I've got this nice Christmassy dotty one here, and all you're going to do is put that over the mop, just like this. So this has been really easy so far, no cutting involved. So with this sock here, I'll just kind of put the rim up a little bit so that it looks like a hat and the green comes out. So all you're going to do now, you don't need a cone or anything. Like I said, I'm trying to make this like the simplest tutorial ever. I'm going to be taking a hairband and tying it up here so it looks more like a hat as well. So this is the colour that I've got, and I'm just going to scrunch that up and put it over the green part of the sock. So you can see the hairband can't really be seen, and then you can just kind of style the hat how you like. You can have it this way, you can have it like this. And I completely forgot to show you that I like adding some essential oils into the rice because it makes it smell so good, so you can try that out as well. And now for the nose, you can use a pom-pom, you can use a ping pong ball, you can even just pinch out the nose from the sock that's already existing. So all you do is just like literally pinch it and then wrap a hairband around. I have done a tutorial using this method before, so you can check that out. I will link that for you. But today I am going to be using these balls, and this is the size that I'm using. These are really cheap and you can find them pretty much anywhere. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to add some colour to it. So I put my ball on a skewer just to make it easier to work with. Then I'm going to apply some of this glue stick all over it. Then you're going to take some white glitter and sprinkle it all over your ball. So here's mine all done. I have added a touch of the pink glitter here. So we're just going to apply some hot glue and you're going to just stick your nose onto the gnome. And here's the finished DIY. I think this gnome is so cute and adorable. I love him. I love that this DIY is so easy and quick to put together. It's also really inexpensive, but it actually looks quite high-end. I feel like this is the stuff you usually see in the markets and stores for Christmas, and they're quite expensive usually, so you can make your own at a good price. And they're just super for some cute decor or really nice handmade gifts. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!